In the AI race, hype often outpaces results. What stands out is not flashy pilots, but a disciplined, architecture-first approach. The real question every business should ask: how do we make AI reliable, scalable, and production-ready from the start? One answer lies in designing for outcomes, not experiments. AI should connect into mission-critical systems across manufacturing, energy, finance, or healthcare rather than sitting as side projects. Hitachi, for example, blends information technology with operational technology to show how AI can become part of the operational backbone rather than an add-on. Frameworks like Hitachi's R202.ai highlight what matters most: trust, transparency, and sustainability. These are not buzzwords. They're design principles for organizations that want AI to deliver impact at scale. Partnerships also shape outcomes. Whether it's with cloud providers, semiconductor leaders, or domain specialists, choosing the right ecosystem allies accelerates the move from proof of concept to production. And talent cannot be an afterthought. Hitachi's focus on training tens of thousands of GenAI professionals alongside investing in startups through its venture arm is one example of how transformation comes from combining workforce skills with innovation pipelines. How do we make AI reliable, scalable, and production-ready from the start? AI leadership isn't about chasing the next trend. It's about balancing innovation with reliability, ethics, and scale, so that technology doesn't just work in pilots, but drives measurable outcomes in the real world.